So, hinaan natin yung oil. Baka ano ka. Sige. So, ito, antikoy. Sige, get pa. Ano? Isa. Excuse me, isa. Si Kuya Gab lang talaga. Oh, one only. Careful. Oy, ayaw. Matatabsikan ka. Yaya yan. Careful lang yung paglagay. Just put it like that. Relax lang. Kasi nakakayayay ang oil, Gab. Oh, careful. Oh, like that. Just relax lang. Oh, sige. Sige. Careful lang, nak. Oops, careful. Okay. Sige, kuha pa. Careful. Very good. Just relax lang imong self. Don't be so excited na very, kay ka. Relax lang yun. Para dili ka ma-hurt. Oh, careful lang. Pag ma-hurt ka niyan, dudugo yung hands mo, matatalsikan yung skin mo, punta ka sa doktor, so iwas tayo sa ganon, okay? So, okay na? So, ayusin yan, oh. O, yan. O, ganyan. Very good. Wow! Galing naman ng gab-gab na yan. Tama na sa floor. Wait na ulit tayo.
Kuan mo ang.
Careful, ha?
Saan ba tomorrow na imo ang? Kuan, imo September 18. What's tomorrow?
Careful lang,
September 18 tomorrow.
Uy, ma-hurt ka sa oil. Mainit pa yan, Gab. Sige, kaya mo yan. Careful lang, it's hot. Ingatan mong hindi ka mapasok dong. It's all na? Done na? Wala na? Oh, wala na, okay na yan. Wala na ang tikoy. So, put it down. And then bring this one na. Bring the plate na. Careful lang ikaw sa pag-bring sa plate na hindi mabasag, Gab. Mabigat yan. Come here na. Careful lang ikaw. Careful. Mainit at mabigat yan. Sit down na.
Are you proposing to me?
Get ka fork.
Hindi.
Get fork. 2 fork, ha? 2 fork. Fork only. The other one. Thank you. Just put it there and wait tayo na mag-eat na. Sit down na.
Are you proposing to me?
Get ka fork.
Hindi.
Get fork. 2 fork, ha? 2 fork. Fork only. Nika. Happy Chinese New Year!
Happy Chinese New Year! One sila, one.
Plenty. Yummy ang tikoy o hindi?